In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off lock screen passcode on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first of all, I highly recommend you to use screen passcode because it gives you more security for your device. But if you want to turn it off, there is a way how you can do that. So first, open up your settings and there scroll down until you find Face ID and passcode. And now here enter your passcode. And then scroll down for a bit and here tap at Turn Passcode Off. And there it says that your Apple ID cards and car keys will be removed from wallet and will need to be manually re-added to use them again. And also you will not be able to use this passcode to reset your Apple ID password if you forget it. And if you are okay with that, just hit at Turn Off to disable the passcode on your device. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.